Imagine stepping into a kitchen where simplicity meets elegance, where every inch of space is used smartly, and the ambience feels cozy yet modern. Welcome to the world of Scandinavian kitchen design, perfect for small spaces yet big on style and functionality. The hallmark of Scandinavian kitchens is the use of an all-white palette. It brightens up the space, making even the tiniest kitchen feel open and airy. Pair it with natural wood countertops and shelves to bring warmth and a touch of nature indoors. Scandinavian design excels in practicality. Pull-out drawers, hanging racks, and wall-mounted pegboards maximize storage while keeping everything accessible and tidy. Lighting is key. Soft pendant lights over the countertop and under cabinet lighting create a cozy vibe. Add textured rugs or cushions to enhance the feeling of hygge, the Scandinavian concept of comfort and coziness. Scandinavian kitchens often blend cooking and dining areas seamlessly. A compact dining table or an extendable counter doubles as a prep space. By incorporating these ideas, you can transform your small kitchen into a stylish, functional space that reflects the beauty of Scandinavian design.